What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video we will be showing you how to install DITRA-HEAT for a heated floor in this 150 square foot bathroom here. Let's show you what we have, and then we'll run through some clips and show you how to install, how to hook up the thermostat, how to run the wire. Let's show you the kit that we ordered. So here it is. We've got about 150 square feet of your mat, and you line your wires through the mat. We will show you how that works. Here's the kit. We've got our wire, our thermostat that hooks up to an app on a phone, of course a tester. We've got this cable trowel. I'll leave a link in the description below for this kit. You save some money when you order it in a kit like this. Also included, you've got Strata Heat Thermal Pack. This is an additive to your thin set that simply helps transfer the heat quickly through the wire and through the thin set. So here is the floor. We've got a toilet room. This will be covered in Ditra. This large vanity area will be covered in Ditra, and also entering this shower room. Let's dry fit this Ditra and show you how to install for a luxury heated bathroom floor. So your first step is to dry fit or dry lay your Ditra. We like to start with the longest run. Here we go. Okay, we have everything dry fit, laid out. As you can see here, one quick thing to pay attention to is you want the uncoupling membrane pieces that are separated to line up so that you can feed your wire in between these cones here. So it's lined up there. Everything's dry fit here. We have the toilet room. As you can see, it's also lined up so we can run wire into the toilet room as well. You do your best to piece everything out. Now let's install it. Now, if you're working with a substrate like this, a float or self-leveling, keep in mind this will suck out all moisture and water out of the thin set if you don't properly and thoroughly wipe this down with a sponge. So you want to thoroughly soak this and wipe it down 2 to 3 runs prior to troweling your thin set mortar so that you get a much stronger bond. Always quickly pull a little bit of the Ditra up after you set it to check coverage to make sure you have proper 100% coverage here. That's what it's supposed to look like. Let's continue.
But now we're getting to the heart of the game. And then they come back to the staff and he's like, no, he misunderstood. And they go back to Sonic, and Sonic's gonna be like, I can't, that's strange. Silent might say, yeah, that actually happened. But Silent already gave testimony. So I have to imagine.
All right, what you want to do first is test your wire in the spool installed in your Ditra Mat, and then test it a third time after the tile is installed. And this is how you test it. Use a multimeter, very simple. You take a look at your label. You can see that, and you have to read within 10% of that 8 point. There it is, reading 9.1. Within 10% range, we're good to go. Always do this so that you have your warranty. You fill out your ID, which is there, 8.9 ohms, which is there, and then what it reads before installation. In our case, it's 9.2. After cable installation, when you install the cable in the Ditra, as well as after tile installation. You fill this out, submit this to Schluter in order to keep and hold your warranty. You can look over here. We got wire in the toilet room. Now we must test the wire one more time before we install some tile. Testing it for a second time here. 9.2. We're ready to go. Let's install tile. And here we are, ready to install some tile. We have our sensors right here in the middle of the floor. And here we go, installing these 8 by 48 inch rectified porcelain planks. Always back butter your tile. And we're finalized. Floor is in, cabinets are in. Let's show you where we placed the thermostat. Now, keep in mind, this thermostat has an app that you connect your phone to. So once this is installed, you will not touch it. You will control all of your settings within the app on your phone. So thermostat here will be installed within the cabinet right there. So it's out of the way and hidden. Obviously follow directions so you know which wire goes where. Now, one important thing to keep in mind, guys, you need a dedicated circuit to run the Schluter heat system. Fortunately, before we started the remodel, we had a big jacuzzi tub here, so there was a dedicated circuit already installed, 120, so you either need a 120 or a 240 dedicated circuit, depending on the wire kit. And there it is, we have power. Time to set it up and test the floors. So it looks like it passed the system test. That's always a good sign. And there we go, we set up the time, the date, the heating schedule. There it is, guys, DITRA-HEAT. How to install these floors, heat up very, very quickly and very nicely. We have already done all the testing. Thanks for watching this video on how to install DITRA-HEAT. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and most importantly, share this video if you know anybody who might find it useful, and I'll see you on the next one.